everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. I'm super excited y'all are joining us today because I'm doing another collaboration with my really good friend Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. Now, we were really inspired by our cultures, so we decided to do a Southeast Asian / Bollywood collaboration. We both grew up watching those movies. We love the actors, we love the songs, and they just are so colorful and vibrant, and we wanted to share a little bit of our culture with you all. A lot of you guys don't know, I am of Pakistani Punjabi descent. I am a first-generation American, born and raised here, and my parents did a really great job in instilling our traditions and values, cultural values in my upbringing. Now, I am married to a 7th generation Texan. I didn't know how he would assimilate in our culture, but he has adapted really well. He actually loves Pakistani food more than I do. I cook it for him all the time. He loves to wear the traditional shalwar kameez dress, and it's kind of awesome because his ancestors came in with the original pioneers, Stephen F. Austin and that group, to Texas. So they have really rich history in the foundation of the state of Texas. So I'm glad we got together and we have 2 beautiful kids. But yeah, I wanted to share my painting that I did. It's mixed media. It's my first mixed media artwork that I've ever done. And here is my painting right here. I kind of wanted to have some vibrant colors and just the jewels and stuff as we're known for. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And I will be using a 14 by 18 inch level 1 canvas that I got from Walmart. And here is my painting that I'm referencing, that I'm using. I did use, I mostly freehand it, but I did use some carbon paper just for the eye area and the jewels. But yeah, and then I will be swiping the scarf area, and then I'm using Pebeo relief paint in copper, gold, and a transparent glitter that I got a long time ago. I normally use these when I glass paint. So yeah, it's Pebeo relief paint. And then I used soft pastels to color the face. And as I mentioned before, I will swipe the scarf area. And then these are just my regular Artist Loft soft pastels that I got from Michaels. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out.
पापा है अपना तो बस ये जापा है फिक्र करे फुकरे चिंगम है चप्पी जा हैंड पंप है तप्पी जा लाइफ का जूसा कट्टी जा फिक्र करे फुकरे कुछ रहने का नहीं लगता वो टैक्स वो रब्बा दिल फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा दिल फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा दिल फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा दिल फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा कोठी ना मॉल हड़ीपा ना कोरे डाल हड़ीपा नहीं जाने तेरे नाल चाहे कितना संभाल छड़ मिट्टी डाल हड़ीपा कोठी ना मॉल हड़ीपा ना कोरे डाल हड़ीपा नहीं जाने तेरे नाल चाहे कितना संभाल छड़ मिट्टी डाल हड़ीपा खुशियां तो चढ़ ले हम दोनों में भर ले खप्पा हो या सच्चा जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा खून फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा खून फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा खून फिकरा है जिगरा तो संग मेरे बोल रड़ीपा
All right, y'all, now on to the fun part, which is my swipe that I will do. And here are my colors. This is a golden cobalt violet hue. I just bought this today. I thought the color looked really pretty. I've never seen it before. And all of my paints are just mixed with 3 parts US Floetrol and 1 part paint only. And I'm also using my favorite, this little piggy pigments. This is Echeverria, a really pretty green. It's in between a light emerald green. These are mixed with, they're dispersed in a little bit of Josanya, and I added some golden extra heavy gel gloss, and then my 3 parts of Floetrol. And then next is this little piggy constellation. Again, a very pretty purple color. It's one of their newer ones that came out a couple of months ago. And they will be launching, I believe, 10 to 20 new colors in a couple of weeks or so. So definitely be on the lookout. And here's Amsterdam Red, Blue, Violet. And I got all my Amsterdam paints from fluid-art.co. So it is kind of like your one-stop shop. But yeah, there you have it. Let's get swiping.
Ha ha
बुझा दूं ये सारी तपन
फायर ब्रिगेड मंगवा दे तू अंगारों पर है अरमां ओ बलमा ओ बलमा ओ बलमा तेरा रास्ता देख रही हूँ सिगड़ी पे दिल सेक रही हूँ पर देसी मोरे बलमा ओ बलमा ओ बलमा ओ बलमा
तेरा रास्ता देख रहा हूँ सिगड़ी पे दिल सेक रहा हूँ परदेसी मोरे बलमा हो बलमा हो बलमा ओ बलमा ओ बलमा
Well, y'all, here are the dried, embellished results of my mixed media piece. I added some stencil work. I didn't want gold. I didn't want it to stand out too much. But overall, I'm okay with it. Will I do mixed media again? Probably not. I will stick to my botanical Dutch pours and blooms and pearl pours. But yeah, overall, here is the result, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Well, everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please go check out Teslima Maya Art after me. I have all of my colors and paints and recipes that I used and where I got them from listed down below in the description box. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Bye for now.